CGH enhances augmented reality (AR) displays by significantly improving depth perception, resolution, and user experience by encoding depth information directly into holograms. CGH creates realistic 3D images that feel more integrated into the real world. It also allows for high resolution and detailed visual essential in fields like medicine and design. Additionally, CGH provides wide viewing angle ensuring that image remain clear from various perspectives, which is crucial for collaborative use. It reduces visual fatigue by aligning image with natural human perception, making extended use more comfortable. Furthermore, CGH support lightweight and compact device, offers real-time content flexibility, and can be scaled easily for different applications, ultimately pushing in the boundaries of what AR can